Head is a call.
The batting lineup: Amu Sharks, Abdul Malik.
तो पोहनी प्रेकड़ा सिद्दीक कातल ब्याम दलता मिस बिल्डिंग दा शॉट फाइन लेग बाउंड्री पलूरी बांधी आओ तो ता बाउंड्री से खदा बांधी सलूर मंडी लुमड़ी सलूरी ज्यादा बंदी आमिर खमारानु
Uruste bal the lumdi over. Oh, pas the pore on drive out. Saloriza. Doma boundary wa padrawana warki the Sidikula atalla bet saka. Lumdia or Rusta Tamandi Bagel Kumtawana. Lumdia Wartasa. Oh, Mohammad Shazad. Spakiza. Square leg bandi Moka homeward agar satun kitama Rasita ki nakidala. او داسې شاړ ما د دله بیټ څخه په 2014 نړیوال جام کې هم لیدلی دی کګیسو رباډا پر وړاندې
بالکل شهزاد محمدي دغه شاټ څخه داسې څرګندېږي چې نن په ویشتنځای باندې د پاته کېدو امیدونه او هیلې زیاتې دي غواړي چې یو شپانۍ ترسره کړي د کرکټ مینوالو لپاره د بند امیر خمارانو لپاره دا هم ګورو بالکل د لوبڅار
لږ څه که شاته ولاړ شاکر صاحب دوه سټیپه شاید موقع وی
بالکل څه نه څه مخکې و خو دلته د لوبڅار مهم
ډګر ساتونکی شته خو هڅه یې په زړه پورې وه بریالی نه شو بالکل سلوریزه
او ډرایو بالکل توپ د باونډري په لوري څلور منډي بهترینه څلوریزه
موقع نشته ډګر ساتونکي ته چې خپل زینه وخوځېږي سلوریزه د اکیډمي اینډ نه شاټ محمد شهزاد وایډ لانګ آن او د ډیپ مډ وکټ ترمنځ سلوریزه
Oh, clean ball! Excellent! Tremendous! بهترینه په زړه پورې
یا من احمد خواپسي کوي صدیق الله ترسو بلاکر صدیق ته وخت ورنکه چې د
That's a good shot, but and that will run down to the boundary. Welcome to Hashmatullah Shahidi version 3.0. He said he's changed his game, and we can see that. Makes room, and sends this to the boundary to finish off the power play with 50 for 1. Is that in the gap? Is that in the gap? Starts off after the power play with a boundary, Hashmatullah Shahidi.
I don't think Ashraf, the skipper of the Shark, has got the field right. The square leg fielder was front of square, and Aftab was trying to bowl the bouncer. If he's trying to bowl the bounce, it's always important to have the square leg behind square. The ball.
Hashmatullah Shahidi has different plans, comes down the track and sends this for a maximum. I was sensing that probably a shot, a risk to take. And it pays off for Hashmatullah Shahidi. 65 for 1 after 8.
لپاره یمین احمد زین انتخاب شوی دی او د کټ شاټ هڅه سلور منډې سکویر کټ د محمد شهزاد محمدي له لوري او په سلوریزې سره
تصویر روان دی له شهزاد سره په ملګرتیا کې یو ځل بیا د شاټ هڅه کېږي او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره سر په سر دوه څلورې ترلاسه کوي شهزاد نن ارادې خطرناکې دي په روانه لوبه کې او یو په زړه پورې بیټینګ نندارې ته په اته دېرشو درې څلوېښت منډې بهترینه ملګری شاټ دی دلته او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره که تېره لوبه کې وګورو او نن وګورو حشمت شپږیزه بهترینه لوبه जारी साथी
بیا هم د غټ شاټ هڅه او بالکل شپږیزه کیڼلاسې د کیڼلاسي پر وړاندې او حشمت الله شهیدي بریالی دی.
بالکل که وګورو حشمت بهترینه لوبه دوام لري او د دوی ترمنځ دغه ملګرتیا لا هم پسې غځېږي په 41 بالونو 50 ملګرتیا رښتیا هم د
دلته محمد شهزاد محمدي شپږیزه ترلاسه کوي. محمد شهزاد له دې سره نیمه سلیزه هم بشپړوي. اتصالات جام د شپږیزې کرکټ په تاریخ کې څلورمه نیمه سلیزه د محمد شهزاد محمدي له لورې په ځانګړي انداز او ځانګړي سلیبریشن سره ډریسنګ روم طرف ته وایي چې زه شتون لرم ستونزه نشته.
بال ګورو څومره په ښه انداز راواخیست او له بونډۍ څخه بهر یې د شپږو منډو لپاره ورګزار کړ او 50 هم په شپږیزه ترلاسه کړي. که نه نو د دوی لپاره هدف غټ 2 قدمه وړاندې او بال له بونډۍ څخه بهر دی بلې غټې شپږیزې لپاره هیڅ یو فیلډر ته د بال د نیولو چانس نشته. یوازې ننداره ده څه یو بهترینه شاټ او نن شارټ سلیکشن انتخاب ډیر عالی دی. تیره لوبه او نن یو ځل بیا حشمت په غټو شاټونو برلاسی دی.
The slower delivery, which Faruqi believes in fireworks. This should be taken. Oh! This grew on him. Shehzad owns the ground.
A blazing strike from Mohammad Shehzad. Flat and hard. He's got tremendous power. And he's using it effectively. Look at this. He slammed it flat just over that fielder. Even Kiran Pollard wouldn't have reached. That was a...
He's sticking to what has worked for him across levels, and Hashmat continues his half-century spree, second on the trot for the skipper. A subdued celebration suggesting that the game is still not done, the job is still not done.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant from Hashmat. He's suffering.
Partnership. One-handed, but in the gap. Precision, power, he's got all.
When it comes to using angles, when it comes to finding gaps, he's
Position, I thought, and suddenly realized the ball has moved further away. He had plan B, and that's exactly why he found a boundary. This would be another boundary. Oozing control this time around. Shehzad.
excellent stroke making, strong hands. And he's middling everything today. He's just opening the face. That was not a good effort from the fielder there. Fielder in position. The bowler will be unhappy. The captain will be enraged. That should have been stopped. But loose in the field.
Only height, no distance. Aftab's called for it and pouches the catch. Running backwards wasn't simple. But with Shehzad to be back in the heart, nothing had to be simple. It was that kind of a day for Shehzad. But it's got to an...
Trying to play too many strokes, a little bit of extra bounce, looking to work through the onside, getting the top edge, and that was very well judged catch taken by Aftab Alam. Not an easy catch to be taken by the fast in front. Swung away on the onside. A mighty stroke from Hashmat.
He will not hold back. That's the 5th Shpagiza for Hashmat. There was asked to be hit, and that hint of turn towards Hashmat didn't help the bowler at all. Got enough bat on it, and the win.
But in this innings has been sublime. There you go, as we speak. No, not much bat, but it was a drop catch. But interesting to see whether he
The stage is set, and this is why. 4 runs.
Yep. If I put my umpire's hat on, Fidai, that's a 6.
Well, they adjudicated that as a boundary, but now they are going to change that decision. There you go. There you go. Insult to the injury. It's not 4, it's 6. Up for Bandiami Dragons. He has a shot towards the deep. Fine leg for another 4.
The Aftab Wala rubbing so.
Slow one, he plays it. Fielders inside the circle. The ball is running down to the boundary. I don't think it'll have the legs to run to the boundary, but it does. Poor fielding. It continues to be really poor show in this over. Full toss. Down to the boundary for 4. This is turning out to be a very expensive over. 19 runs off it so far. One more delivery to be bowled.
For Vash to bowl it way outside the off stump and get it away from the hitting arc, but if they'll miss a length, he'll go the distance. It's a matter of just 6 inches.
Here in Afghanistan, they love their heroes, and they will love this. This is lofted for a maximum from Hashmatullah Shahidi. A full toss receives the treatment. 177 for 2 after 18. Have a look at that. It was a full toss. He fired that. He wanted a block hole. Missed it by a small margin. Hashmatullah Shahidi.
He's coaching.
Oh, he's high in the air. Will that be taken? Yes, Fazal Haq Farooqi bowls a brilliant penultimate over. One more delivery to be bowled, but he sends back the dangerous Gulbadin Naib.
Yeah, beginning of this so. Yes, implementation is good to have a hero, but do it your own way. Say Sadiqul as well. The first ball picks up the slower delivery and dispatches Fazal Haq Farooqi over the square leg boundary for a Spagiza.
He does it his own way. That's how he bats. He's an explosive batter who's been promoted ahead of Rahmanullah Zadran because they need some firepower down at the end, and he sends off the slower delivery.
A 9 o'clock start is a different story. Slow ball bouncer, and Yamin does the business. Hashmatullah Shahidi was trying to do the right thing, trying to smash every delivery. This was nicely disguised slow delivery by Yamin.
Yeah, well played. Brilliant inning comes to an end. Yeah, this is well played. This will run down to the boundary. Yamin Namazai will have only himself to blame for that.
Yeah, poor delivery down the leg side.
200. It always matters when you get to 200. Slower ball, waited for it. Fielders inside the circle. The ball is running down to the boundary and does reach the boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. 199. One more delivery to be. Well, Siddiq and Shahzad opened the end.
Yamin was excellent with the new ball as well as Farooqi.